Awning Windows Metairie, Louisiana, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles available, residents can select designs that complement their home's architecture while providing excellent ventilation and natural light. Awning window experts in Metairie offer comprehensive services, ensuring a seamless installation process tailored to each client's needs. Custom awning windows in Metairie are designed to meet specific preferences and requirements, offering unique solutions for every home. These windows are available in various materials including vinyl and aluminum, each providing distinct benefits. Vinyl awning windows. Metairie are known for their durability and low maintenance, while aluminum awning windows Metairie offer a sleek, modern look with excellent strength. Energy-efficient awnings in Metairie are an excellent investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These awnings help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer, making them an ideal choice for the warm climate of Metairie, Louisiana. Awning window contractors in Metairie can provide expert advice on selecting the best energy-efficient options for your home. Awning Windows Metairie is a service offered by experienced professionals who ensure that your new windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Whether you're upgrading to energy-efficient awnings or replacing damaged windows, Metairie Awning Window Services guarantee high-quality results. Awning window upgrades. Metairie can significantly enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Awning window maintenance in Metairie is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspecting awning window hardware, Metairie can prevent costly repairs and ensure optimal functionality. Awning window repair services in Metairie are available for addressing any issues that may arise, from minor adjustments to complete overhauls. Awning window suppliers in Metairie offer a wide range of products to suit every homeowner's needs. From traditional to contemporary awning window designs Metairie, there are options to match any style preference. Awning window prices. Metairie vary based on materials, features, and customization, but competitive awning window quotes Metairie ensure you receive the best value for your investment. Awning windows Metairie are available in various materials, each offering unique advantages. Vinyl frames are popular for their affordability and low maintenance, while aluminum frames provide a modern aesthetic with superior strength. Awning window glass. Metairie options include energy-efficient and impact-resistant varieties, catering to the diverse needs of Metairie homeowners. Awning window screens. Metairie are an essential component, providing protection against insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. High-quality screens are available in various materials and styles, ensuring compatibility with your chosen awning window designs. Metairie. Awning window parts Metairie, including screens and hardware, are readily available for replacements or upgrades. Awning window benefits. Metairie extend beyond aesthetics, offering practical advantages such as improved ventilation, natural light, and energy efficiency. These features make awning windows a popular choice for Metairie residents seeking to enhance their home's comfort.